Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning. Your phone does not turn on. The lights do not work. There is no signal. The world did not explode in front of you. It just stopped. No electricity, no internet, no supermarkets. Civilization did not disappear. Its support system did. Most people think the danger is war. That is wrong. The real danger begins after the war. Welcome to Dr. Gem. Science never dies. Here is the truth. In the first 72 hours after World War III, people do not die from violence. They die from cold. They die from thirst. They die from exposure. Civilization does not restart with weapons. It restarts with shelter, fire, and water. Miss even one of these, and the story ends early. So let us start correctly. From zero to civilization. First comes shelter. Shelter is not about comfort. Shelter is about survival. Wind removes body heat, rain drains energy, cold kills quietly. That is why shelter is the first priority. After World War III, buildings still exist, but they are dangerous. Basements are good. Underground parking is good. Metro tunnels are good. They block wind. They hold heat. But remember this. If a building is cracked, leaning, or smells like gas, leave immediately. Ancient instinct is better than modern confidence. If there are no buildings left, you return to ancient engineering. This is how early humans survived. Ancient shelters were built using nature, wood, leaves, mud, stone. Here is how to build a simple shelter. Find a strong tree or a large rock. Lean long branches against it. Cover the branches with leaves and grass. Seal the gaps with mud. Make the entrance small. A small entrance keeps heat inside. Ancient shelters were not comfortable. They were efficient. Comfort is optional. Survival is not. This is how civilization restarts. Not with weapons, not with kings, but with stability. Survival first, progress later. Remember this. Science never dies.